goodness. Aren't you just a little angel?
Actually, I'm a little robot.
You're funny, too.
Yeah, looks on everything.
You be nice. I think I got something special for you. How would you like a hydro pack upgrade?
That would be quite helpful for swimming underwater.
Whatever.
There you go, sweetie. Oh, you look so handsome.
Thank you, miss. Your craftspersonship is excellent.
If you two are through...
Jealous?
You come back and see me any old time.